Good evening. Now that we're returning to some sense of normalcy, many New Mexicans are trying to catch up on their basic health care. But finding a primary doctor and scheduling an appointment is proving harder than many thought. News 13's ARIANA KRAFT is here with more. ARIANA?
The CEO of a local family physician says he is concerned with the backlog of appointments, but points out trying to find primary care quickly in New Mexico is not something new.
Pandemic or not, there's always going to be a large amount of people looking for primary care, unfortunately.
And for many, the COVID-19 pandemic made routine checkups less of a priority. Now that's changing.
So what we're seeing now is that people are really trying to catch up on surgeries that they need, appointments with the doctor, and that's creating a lot of stress on the system, actually.
People usually think if they just have a cough or common cold or minor injury, they need to go to their primary doctor. But Dr. McLaughlin says there's another option.
I think if you are seeking care for things that you think your primary care physician is best to take care of, but they can't get you seen in a timely fashion, then often your local urgent care is a good place to go.
Another impact from the pandemic is that many providers shut down, forcing patients to seek medical treatment from different doctors. People can reach out to their insurance providers to help in their search.
A lot of insurance reps would try to keep their ear to the ground and find out if there is any primary care doctors in their network that would be accepting. They're going to do their best to direct their patients.
CEO of Rio Grande Family Medicine, Andy Shee, says unfortunately the scarcity of primary care appointments won't go away anytime soon.
As I understand it, there's insufficient federal funding, I think, in a lot of areas. Ultimately, it's on a federal level. There's only so much that can be done.
Especially when there's a shortage of residency programs to get more doctors into New Mexico.
It's a problem that has been there for a long time, and it's going to continue to get worse regardless of the pandemic. I think there's a lot of factors at play, including just how many providers there are.
Primary care facilities are encouraging people to stay open-minded and try other physicians if they are not having any luck getting an appointment. Back to you.
All right, thank you, ARIANA. Doctors say there could be another uptick of COVID cases in the coming months and are still encouraging people to get their COVID vaccine and booster shots.